Most people over 50 have no idea their kidneys are battling a silent enemy every single day. And the shocking part, this might be hiding inside the snacks you believe are healthy. What you choose to eat, even a handful of nuts, can either lighten your kidney's workload or push it toward exhaustion. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll learn which nuts protect aging kidneys and which ones quietly weaken them over time. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments, where are you watching from? What time is it right now? I read every message. As we age, kidneys naturally filter slower. So foods that were harmless in your 30s can become risky in your 60s, 70s, or 80s. A single snacking habit, when repeated daily, can raise creatinine, increase inflammation, stress the glomeruli, and slowly reduce filtration strength, often without symptoms. That's how many seniors discover kidney decline after 30 to 40% of function is already lost. But here's the good news. Certain nuts contain powerful nutrients that shield kidney cells, calm inflammation, and support healthy filtration if you choose the right ones. Let's begin with the surprising heroes. First up is sunflower seeds, the gentle kidney cleanser. These tiny seeds are rich in natural antioxidants that help aging kidneys handle oxidative stress. Just 1 teaspoon a day added to yogurt or warm oatmeal can support cleaner filtration and less cellular wear and tear. Next, macadamia nuts provide oil therapy for your kidneys. Macadamias are loaded with rare healthy fats that help soothe inflamed kidney tissue and assist blood flow into the filtering units. Seniors do best with 4 to 6 nuts in the morning, ideally with fruit like an apple or pear to help digestion. Our third kidney-friendly nut is walnuts for natural anti-inflammatory protection. Walnuts bring omega-3 support without overwhelming potassium or phosphorus levels. A safe daily serving is just 4 to 5 walnut halves, preferably soaked or lightly roasted. These 3 work like a nutritional maintenance crew, helping kidneys stay calm, oxygenated, and efficient. But now we need to look at the nuts that quietly create trouble. Peanuts are often contaminated and can be hard on the kidneys. Many peanut products carry molds and toxins that can irritate kidney tissue, especially in seniors with slower filtration. If you love peanuts, switch to pistachios. About 15 to 20 per day support blood vessels and reduce oxidative load. Then we have almonds and cashews, sneaky sources of phosphorus. These healthy nuts can overload aging kidneys with phosphorus they can't clear well. Too much phosphorus accelerates nephron fatigue, scarring, and rising creatinine. For a similar flavor with much less strain, walnuts or macadamias are a safer choice. Finally, pumpkin seeds can be trouble for anyone prone to kidney stones. They're packed with oxalates which bind to calcium and can form painful kidney stones. A safer alternative is finely ground flaxseed, amazing for creatinine, inflammation, and healthy blood flow. Just 1 teaspoon per day, but always drink water afterward. Your kidneys work all day, every day, even while you sleep. Choosing the right handful of nuts can protect them for years to come. Small habits matter. A single swap today can mean lower creatinine, fewer stone flare-ups, and stronger filtration as you age. If this helped you, give this video a like and subscribe for more elder-focused health guidance made with care.